Bitcoin money, especially in a real sense, has a medium-term obstruction at $119.28 in an unpretentious manner in a significant way. BCH United States dollar exchanges closed $227.63 in an unpretentious way. BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in a kind of genuinely enormous way in a truly significant manner. The especially current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money sort of is at $134,922,748 in an unobtrusive manner. 25 November 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified some things, facts. What really is certainly sort of transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money in every way that really matters explicitly is BCH a very wise venture, which generally especially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. However, prior to plunging profound into the BCH specialized examination, by and large, let us especially discuss the entirely current economic situations in an especially huge manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of basically was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the quite whole digital currency market to $1,433,698,568,583 in a kind of huge manner. The in every way that really matters, all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $46,102,746,854, or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 51.45% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly especially has a predominance of 16.33%, exhibiting that 25 November 2023. In this video we will by and large basically walk you through Bitcoin money cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now and in a real sense, attempt to answer these regularly for the most part in a real sense, sought clarification on some things, facts, what by and large is by and large all things considered, transient cost expectation for Bitcoin money. Generally is BCH a truly wise venture, which sort of is genuinely critical incredibly. Which in a real sense all things considered, brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $37,733.29 level after a vertical development of 0.01%, so the genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money especially is at $134,922,748 in an unpretentious manner in an all things considered, huge way. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value lessening of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours, most certainly further appearance, how various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in every way that really matters, truly has seen a value diminishing of 1.16%, coming to $2,078.30 during the past 24 hours. Which by and large is genuinely critical, or so they thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $233.82, following a value change of 0.55% within a similar time period, which in every practical sense, most certainly is very huge. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP for the most part is somewhere near 0.1 and right now exchanging at 62 cents, showing that market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,433,698,568,583 in an especially large manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a very sort of large way. These occasions generally show that the market basically generally is going in a by and large. Right now, a sort of kind of broad sort of most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20, fundamentally extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized pointers used to really recognize kind of especially key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers basically become kind of additional all things considered, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how support sort of is a level at which purchasers certainly generally become sort of more exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Or so they generally thought, which is genuinely huge. Similarly, obstruction actually especially is a level at which dealers really become move essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which for the most part shows that the genuinely current exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is at $134,922,748 in every practical sense. Huge way. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Bitcoin money, BCH, Bitcoin money execution. The ongoing Bitcoin money cost by and large is $227.63, with an exchanging volume of $134,922,748 in the beyond 24 hours, which generally is genuinely critical. As of now, BCH in every way that really matters is up by 0.66% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,454,381,476 United States dollars, decently for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Bitcoin Money Value Examination BCH Cost Examination for 25 November 2023 inside a by and large everyday time span really made sense of underneath, showing how Bitcoin money support and opposition levels and so on in a very huge manner. We utilize especially relative strength index RSI, moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels. Different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving decently truly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving actually essentially normal, EMA, to generally break down the future development of the Bitcoin money in an unobtrusive manner. While BCH's Williams %R marker especially is at 60.321 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange kind of sign, quite as fundamentally conceivable at this reach in a very significant manner. The truly relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the BCH coin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI certainly is at 25, showing how BCH United States dollar pair exchanging above EMA 20 in an extremely enormous way, which is genuinely huge. The MACD line sort of certainly is remaining beneath of the actually fundamentally signal line after a hybrid, certainly further appearance how Bitcoin money in every practical sense really has a medium-term opposition at $119.28, or so they essentially truly thought. Bitcoin money financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the pretty certainly everyday diagram, which sort of shows that market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $1,433,698,568,583, or so they essentially for the most part thought. EN's Bitcoin money market generally gives a bullish indications, and bulls can especially push BCH in every practical sense higher in the approaching meetings in an unobtrusive way. BCH in every